Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13F and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here, let me go back, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on backup and reset and tap on Google account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and basically if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now. So here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just tap on, just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, simply tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we have to decide what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data. You can mark both if you want to, and tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. And all we have to do right now is to simply tap on backup now, and your device will back up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.